Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share my very first Christmas video with you all. Every year I have a series called Christmas with Chelle, and today we are decorating my entryway. I hope you enjoy. So guys, here is how my entryway was currently looking. I love this blush pink pumpkin cushion that I recently got in a Temu haul, and I just think it's my favourite pumpkin cushion for this season. But I wanted to be prepared this year, and because I upload weekly, I wanted to get a start on my Christmas decorating so you can get some inspiration for your own homes. Now, once I'd taken everything away, off camera I gave it a really good clean down. I love most of all, guys, starting with a clean slate in this area per season. So let's get started on some really pretty Christmas DIYs.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Now guys, the vision that I had here was I wanted to create a beautiful garland on this shelf, like you would decorate a mantle. I recently popped into Kmart and they had started putting out their Christmas decor, and I picked up this lighted garland. It was exactly what I had in mind. While I was there, I also went to our Value Dollar store. It's just a local variety store, and they had some really pretty Christmas decorations out as well. And I knew that these beautiful flowers, as well as this fur ribbon, would go perfect in my garland. Now, because I was hanging the garland on that shelf, I picked up some command stripped hooks as well. So I started by stretching out the garland onto my table and fluffing it out. I then went in with that beautiful fur ribbon, and all I did was intertwine it and twist it around a few stems, guys, to secure it all in place. I then took those pretty glitter flowers and just did opposite ones scattered throughout the garland. They had their little clip on the back, guys, which was really easy to attach to the stems. Now, to either end of the garland, I placed these pretty baby blue hair bows to either end. Now, guys, I found these on Temu, and they were actually my inspiration for Christmas this year. So be sure to subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments down below, what I'll be doing with these bows. I then took those command hooks and I placed one at either end of the shelf and one directly in the middle. Now, off camera, I placed the garland on the hooks, and I love how it was positioned. So it was now time to start decorating the shelf, and I just shopped my own home, guys, with all my Christmas trees that I had in storage. I'm going to do a grouping of 4, and I love to do visual heights with the tallest at the back.
Keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down.
One thing I really enjoy doing, guys, which is really cost effective, is purchasing some art off Etsy per season. I got these prints off Etsy and I absolutely love them for the theme that I'm going for.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true.
Now, on my little corbel shelf, I added this battery-operated little fireplace, and I think it is so adorable.
I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first.
Once I'd finished decorating, there was so much glitter on the floor, guys, so I went in with my vacuum cleaner on the floors as well as my bench.
'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow
I then shopped my own home for some really pretty Christmas cushions. This Believe cushion I picked up from TK Maxx, guys, probably about 2 years ago now, but it is almost in brand new condition and I absolutely love it. I knew it'd go perfect in my entryway. Now, this wouldn't be a Chelle's Glam Home video without a touch of sequins and sparkle. And I have this cute little breakfast cushion that I'm going to team up with it as well. I also have this adorable little house. It's a Christmas house that I got from TK Maxx last year, and I'm going to place that on the bench.
come joining us all. The feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now.
guys, Christmas is fast approaching. Can you believe all the decorations are out in store already? It seems like it's just creeping up on us very quickly. So I wanted to make sure that I got in soon. Because I upload weekly, guys, I wanted to make sure that I was bringing you content that you can be inspired by when it comes to decorating for Christmas. I was so happy how this all come together, guys. I had a vision. I really wanted a French provincial vintage glam feel to this space, and I really love how I added all those elements. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I love sharing DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you guys, I'd really appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And most of all, hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So guys, leave me a comment down below what style of decorating you are doing this Christmas. I have so many new Christmas videos coming your way. I've got lots of DIY projects coming up, a lot of decorate with me's, and a lot of shop with me's, as well as a Christmas home tour. So don't forget to hit your subscribe button, guys, and tap that notification bell. That way you'll be aware next time I upload a video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the very first episode of Christmas with Chelle 2023. I'll be back next week with lots more Christmas inspiration here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.